Ever pondered making money through eBay? Welcome to this comprehensive guide on leveraging eBay, a platform teeming with vast potential for sellers worldwide. From decluttering your space to establishing a full-blown business, eBay is a goldmine of opportunities waiting to be tapped. Over the course of this video, we'll delve into the various ways of making money on eBay and share some invaluable tips for success. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey together. Before anything else, you need to set up an eBay account. This is your first step towards making money on eBay. The process is straightforward. First, head over to eBay's homepage and click on the register link. This will take you to a registration page. Here you'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password for your account. Now it's time to choose your username. This is important, as it's how buyers will identify you. Choose something easy to remember, but also unique and relevant to what you plan to sell. After filling in these details, click the register button. Voila, you've created your eBay account. You'll receive a confirmation email from eBay to verify your email address. Once that's done, you can start listing items for sale. Setting up your eBay account is a simple and quick process, and now you're ready to start earning money. Now comes the fun part, listing your items. This is where you get to showcase what you're selling. It's crucial to provide a detailed description of your item. Be transparent about its condition and include all the necessary details like size, color, brand, and any unique features. This helps potential buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Your photos are equally important. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure your photos are high quality, clear, and taken from multiple angles. This gives buyers a comprehensive view of the item, reducing any uncertainties they might have. Pricing your items competitively can make all the difference in attracting buyers. Do a little research to see what similar items are selling for and price yours accordingly. And here's a pro tip. Consider offering free shipping. This can be a major draw for many buyers, potentially giving you an edge over other sellers. Remember, a good listing is key to attracting buyers. But how do you ensure your item gets noticed? By choosing the right category and keywords. This is more than just a matter of ticking boxes or filling in fields. It's about understanding how your potential buyers think and search. When selecting a category for your item, think about where your potential buyers would logically look for it. The more precise you can be, the better. Now, on to keywords. These are the terms that buyers type into the search bar. To maximize your item's visibility, think about what words a buyer might use to describe your item. Try to step into their shoes. What terms would you search if you were looking for this item? Use these words in your listing title and description. Remember, the goal here is to get your item in front of as many potential buyers as possible. With the right category and keywords, your item will appear in more search results, attracting more buyers. Managing your eBay listings is an important part of the selling process. As your products find their way into the vast marketplace, it becomes crucial to keep an eye on your inventory. A sold-out item still listed as available can lead to disappointed customers and damage your seller reputation. So, always make sure to update your listings as items sell out. In addition, maintaining a smooth communication channel with your prospective buyers can significantly boost your sales. Buyers may have questions about your products, shipping, and more. Prompt and courteous responses to these inquiries not only help close sales, but also build trust with your customers. Remember, your reputation as a seller is highly influenced by how you manage your listings and interact with your customers. These seemingly small tasks, when done right, can enhance your credibility and bring you repeat customers. Effective listing management leads to excellent customer service and a positive reputation on eBay. Shipping your items is another crucial step in the selling process. On eBay, you're presented with a variety of shipping options. For domestic deliveries, you might choose to handle the shipping yourself, using your preferred carrier. For those venturing into international sales, eBay's global shipping program can be a lifesaver, taking care of customs, duty, and global logistics for you. Regardless of the method you choose, secure packaging is paramount. Remember, your item's journey may be long and turbulent, so ensure it's well protected. Once your item is safely on its way, don't forget to provide tracking information to your buyer. This not only keeps them informed, but also helps build trust. After all, nothing beats the anticipation of tracking a much-awaited package. Remember, a smooth shipping process can greatly enhance the buyer's experience. So, take the time to get it right, and you'll be well on your way to creating a loyal customer base. Excellent customer service is the secret sauce to success on eBay. When it comes to online selling, the customer experience doesn't end once the purchase is made. In fact, it's just beginning. Buyers might have questions, encounter issues, or need additional help. That's where you come in. Being responsive is crucial. Timely responses to inquiries show that you value your customers and their time. It's not just about answering quickly, but also providing accurate and helpful information. Next, let's talk about issue resolution. Problems can arise. It's how you handle them that matters. Be proactive, professional, and solution-oriented. Show your customers that you're there to support them, even when things don't go as planned. Lastly, maintaining a positive attitude can make all the difference. A friendly, can-do approach will make your customers feel valued and appreciated, encouraging repeat business. By exceeding your customers' expectations, you can build a loyal customer base and increase your sales over time. To wrap up, let's quickly recap our journey. We've covered how to set up your eBay account, list your items with detailed descriptions, and select the right category and keywords for maximum visibility. We also delved into managing your listings, shipping items, and the importance of providing excellent customer service. Remember, success on eBay is a blend of these elements. With commitment and the tips from this video, you can build a successful business on eBay. Thanks for watching.